Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to connect to your new Wi-Fi router using the IP address 192.168.178.1. The first step is you need to check if you're connected to the proper router, and you can check that here on the right under the Wi-Fi settings, and you can see I'm successfully connected to my TP-Link router. Now I need to make sure I'm connected to the right IP address. Go to the search bar here on the left and type in CMD for command prompt and press enter. Now just type in ipconfig and press enter. And you can see my default gateway for my router is this IP address. Now you can just copy it, press Ctrl C, and open any type of web browser. In my case, it's Microsoft Edge. Here in the address bar, paste that IP address and press enter. And now, as you can see, we have entered the login page for your router. Now just type in admin for the username and also admin for the password. These are the default login details. Now click on login. Now you have successfully entered the admin panel of your router. On the left, you can see different settings. And now, for example, if you want to change your IP address of the router, you can go here on the left and click on Network, then click on LAN, and here you can edit your router's IP address. Once you edit it, you can just click on Save. Once that's done, you can just click on Log Out, and that's everything for today. Thank you for your attention, and please do not forget to subscribe.